I'm gonna be playing some Mineplex games. Not much to say now. Yeah, we're playing some Evolutionists. Yes, yeah. Yeah. Go. Evolution must happen. Yes. Yes. And here we go. We're about to go with my flamethrower. What? I'm a blaze. How can I burn? Oh, parkour, parkour. Die! That doesn't hurt them, but killed me. Great. Great. So tedious. Game's so tedious. What do? Please. Nobody attack. Yeah! Woo! Ooh, baby. Oh, baby. Triple. Oh, yeah. And that was part of my epic feast. How was I gonna tell him? Crouch to evolve. Yes! Creeper! Yeah, sorry for my coughing. Bob! Dang, he lucky. He very, very lucky. He did good. He did actually did good. I'm actually mad. I'm actually mad about that. I'm actually not mad about that. Yes! First slime. Another seismic slime slam. Slime co-dad. Nah. What? How? I'm pretty sure melee does more damage than the elemental move. Yes! First to level 5. Chicken, eh? Sorry for breathing. Pew, pew, pew. Pop, 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 pew. Bam, 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 pew. What? Oh no, that's bad. Don't let the chicken evolve. No, 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 no. Ah, dang it, I got second. I think I just lost. And of course, the chickens have to be the least powerful. They have to be the least powerful of the bunch. That makes no sense. What? Wait. Hold on, I have many complaints. I was second. You guys need to see that. I was second. Yeah, that's basically how I feel. But I was second! Now you guys will see my amazing snake skills. I was amazing on the arcade version, and why wouldn't the PC version be any different? Especially on Minecraft. The blockiest game ever. Probably. Black snake? Pew, pew. I have no words. That's why I said what. If you look at this from the top, it actually does look like it actually. Forgot about hotkeys. Sorry. So is this button. I bet on that guy. Green one. Golden apple A. Come on, boy, money's on me. Come on, boy, money's on you. Oh, green doubles back. Hey, I won. I expect my money in sandwiches. Make sure they're not moldy. My address is 1234 New Hope. Yeah, especially 1234. Most famous. It's the most famous address ever. That's why you should do it. Because I'm pretty sure if you search online, there's some houses of house 1234 in any state. Probably. It's probably the 1234th house. Woohoo! I want to visit the Ender Dragon. Oh! I want to visit the Ender Dragon, also named usmineplex.com. Sheep Quest. Cute Zilla. Pretty sure I've played with this guy before. Go and mine. Go, 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 go! What can I say? I am a pro. I grab 2 sheeps at once. You know how I fly, 2 sheeps at once. Come on, bat them away. Here we go. Pop! I don't know why I like making that sound whenever I shoot people. Sorry. Oh, sorry for talking. Sorry for coughing. Nasty cough. And whenever I do it next to the mic, it must be terrible. Don't want to take any horses. Horses? Yeah, don't want to take any horses. They can take the horses, just not the sheep. Actually, I know a tactic. It's a tactic I've used sometime. But it never got it to work. I'm a 360 no scope your foot with an axe. Ha! Dang it. They know. Red team knows now. Green team now. If only this was color wheel organized. Whoa. Hey, you gotta fix your internet connection, Mr. Probably Australian man. I don't know. Cause I've seen Australia connection. Yeah, it's not so good. Oh, they don't even have any sheeps. Hey, no need to chase me, bro. You're going my way in my direction. Oh, yeah. It's like nobody knows this strat but me. Oh, what else does the Blue Republic know? Or likely we'll ever know. I hate these guys, they blended with the cactuses. I hate the green guys, they blended with the cactuses too well. Man. Oh, you didn't expect me to go to the water, sir. You will never catch me. Green, rush, red. Not blue. Opayona. Drag them away. And pew, 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 pew. Get him, get him, get him. Oh, get him, got him. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Oh, got him. Oh, what? Oh, we keep up. Okay, one more game and then the video is gonna end. Cutezilla. I call hacks well. Tuxedo Trey. Kinda bad at the game then. Oh, and what a game to end off. Then Bacon Brawl, which for me is usually spectator. I've never won a game of this. I've stood on the podium before on a game of Death Chaser. It'll maybe be in the next video. I may serve to you a next video of more Mineplex after this commercial. Nah, sorry, no commercials. Whoa, this 15 seconds is gonna be an eh. Okay, then I'll tell you some tricks. What effect? What effect? It'll be so funny. And then again, I never win it. What's the point? But oh, I didn't get first kill. I probably got like second kill. Kill all AFK people first. Oh my gosh, I actually might win for once. As I jinx myself right there. Was this even supposed to be like a giant donut? But anyway, my buddy's on Lucky Block Crusher. Okay, my money's on Savansky. Oop, oop, where's he gonna tell me? Oh, where's he gonna tell? Savansky. Woo! On my bet. And again, I accept now. 1, 2, 3, New Hope. Well, what a way to end off. See you guys. I'll see you next time. And make sure to check out more of my videos.